What's up YouTube? It's your girl Rashonda Shanice coming back with another video. Today I will be showing you how I reconstructed an old nappy wig. It's a lace front wig that was kind of ruined. The lace was ruined and I just reconstructed it, kind of made it into a side part. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieved this look and brought my wig back to life, stay tuned.
Or stay at home, walk in contradiction, get some factual and fiction. A little crazy, little sexy, little cool, little rough around the edges, but I keep it smooth.
Okay, so you first want to start by shampooing the hair. I'm using my Tresemme shampoo. You do want to make sure you shampoo at least 2 times and make sure you rinse out the shampoo completely before going in with the conditioner. Now, this is an important part. You can use a cheap shampoo, but make sure you use a very good quality conditioner. I purchased my conditioner at Burlington Coat Factory. I believe it was about $10.99. It wasn't no more than $11. After you apply the conditioner, you then want to go through it with like a rake comb or a wide tooth comb just to make sure that the conditioner is reaching every strand of the hair, and make sure that it's all smooth sailor after you comb through the conditioner. So after you rinse out the conditioner, this is another important part. You want to set it in a plastic bag or a shower cap for at least 2 to 3 hours. So then I got my tweezers. I'm going to take my tweezers and my comb, and this was a middle part that was stressed and depressed, guys. So I'm actually parting it to the side now, because that's where I would like my desired part to be. And I'm just holding the wig down, securing it down using my T-pins. And as you can see here, I am moving that part to the side, just trying to get it to my part exactly where I would like it. So after you got your part, you then want to, this is the part where you want to take your tweezers. And what I like to do is just tweeze it going in the direction that my part is. So I'm just tweezing it in a straight line. And then you will see later on how I'll just tweeze in random places to get rid of that bulkiness. So now I'm going to part right behind the hairline and just kind of tweeze there, because I know sometimes it can be a little bulky there. So that's one of the places. Other places I like to tweeze besides the part. Okay, and then I'm going to go on the other side and do the same thing, tweeze behind the hairline. Oh, you see that nap? Yes, honey. So now I'm just pretty much just going to random places and just tweezing some of the hair out, just thinning it out around the part area, like I said, to kind of get rid of that bulkiness. Tweezing in random places again. So there is the part after it's been tweezed out. It looked totally different from the initial part. So here is a very important step if you want to lay your closure flat. Just take some mousse and just pretty much just flatten it out and let it air dry with the hair, and your lace will be so flat. Your closure, your frontal, whatever it is. Mousse is the secret key. So here it is. And I actually let it air dry overnight. And now all I'm doing is just going in, flat ironing it regularly using my flat irons. I like to go in just a little bit with some of the Carry Care oil sheen. I only kind of use it towards the top of my hair, just to give it an extra shine. You see me going in with a little bit more mousse, kind of getting it to lay flat after I have flat ironed it. Comb that through, slay that wig, honey. Okay, and here we have it. This is pretty much the finished product. You guys, let me know what you think. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.